Hi guys, what's up? Hope you all doing good. This is Shyam from Canvic Traders, helping you to turn your trading journey into success. Okay, so today's our topic is option selling, and of course everyone's favorite. And we are giving the safest option strategies. You know that, right? Before that also we have given the hedged one, and which is not required the adjustments, but the probability of the profit will be lesser in that strategy because it's a hedged win and a four-legged strategy. This is a two-leg strategy. So without any ado, let's jump into the video. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please go and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any updates or notifications from us. And if you're visiting for the first time, please go and hit the subscribe button. Okay, so coming to our strategy, these is the NSE option chain, right? So I'm going to 30th December and selecting the Nifty 21. Okay, in this year almost 5 months for from here actually. So in this strategy you no need to require guess where the Nifty or Bank Nifty will go. Okay, you have to guess where it will not go. Okay, that's a main issue. I'm repeating again, you have to predict or guess where the Nifty or Bank Nifty will not move to that extension, okay, to that resistance level or to that support level. So as per current scenario, Nifty is trading at 15,834. Okay, so I'm just adding another 1,000 to 1,500 points wherever I get at least 100 rupees of premium. So I'm selecting 17,500. I'm sure it will not move till here. Okay, still I have around 2,000 points. Okay, and in the downside and the bottom side I'm selecting almost near to 100 rupees, that is 14,000 PE. Okay, so in extreme situation it will move, but it's not easy to move 2,000 points in 1 or 2 months of time. So I'm selecting these two strikes actually. Okay, so I've given already in the Opstra defineedge.com, and I've given the 17,500 CE sold position and 14,000 PE also sell position. Okay, so the probability of the profit is around 76%. Okay, which is good actually, and maximum profit would be around 9,400 rupees. Okay, the margin requirement is 1,07,000. Okay, so in this what is the beauty of this strategy is that if Nifty is reaching around 13,900 also, you will be in profit, and upper side 17,600 also you will be in profits. Okay, so will not be hold like until these movements will happen in real time markets, right? So if Nifty is moving around 500 in a month, then immediately you have to shift, like 17,500 is current price, right? So you have to shift another 500 points. That means this is the 17,500 and you have to shift for 18,000. And downside also we are already selling the 14,000, right? So we have to take little bit, I mean 500 lesser strike price, that is 13,500 strike. In this way you have to adjust this. You can take the hedging position also, but it will reduce our profits actually. So if you ask me, no need to take hedging position for this. Still, if you want to hedge this position, take monthly, which is cheaper than. And if you are selling like 17,500, then take 18,000 CE as a hedge position. If you are selling 14,000 PE, then you have to take 13,500 PE as a hedge. But again, I'm telling you, it will reduce your profit. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you just comment in the below. Hope you liked the video. Thank you. Your Shyam.